Just for fun, I got this book today. This is called The Secret Garden, and I read it once an hour. I liked it because I really like it. I just read for fun. Oh, do you know what I read for just for fun? Well, there are many types of writing, and today we are going to learn language arts, comparing text structures. There are many types of writing as again. And first, when we start a book, we have to think why we are going to read this book. Why? For me, I read the book just for fun. I'm never interested in the book. If you really want to know which text structures and you're going to prepare about the book, and what kind you're going to do, this is the lesson. And in this book, in the text, you see the story. Might you understand that you see that there are one forest and another forest, and this forest better than the other forest, and they're the same as something. That is called compare and contrast, where texts simulate each other, balancing out and trying like this is like if you got a toy of yours one day and I got a toy, two toys. One the doll was pretty in hair, but they similarly, and the other was a drum. They all got loud noises and little kicks. They look cute, but actually they're all toys. They're very different. Well, let's compare and contrast. But the doll is different because you have that like that, and that's different. Let's compare and contrast text. Where you can see how they are same and how they are different, and you have to make this text. They can make you understand things better. But for the next context, it's called problem and solution. This problem and solution text is used in many different ways. First, it tells what's the problem and there's a good solution how to fix it. Objection today is really like soluting problems. This is sort of another type of story. You know, when you have to solve the problem, you engage in that problem, you trying to fix the problem. Next, third, we're going to have triangle problem. It's telling the order, the events of something. And the text, the order might be a pancake festival, or an art like a supervision, or maybe it's in this order or events. Like if you got events or something, start here, and then there are many kinds of channels too, orders of the channel. But I give you an example of the order. If you just imagine you in a face or something, with a special television, you will feel like you're a really finished channel. But this triangle is also explaining how to do something. How you can really explain because that's a problem. You don't know how to do it. This will explain you. If you want to go to high, you can use the triangle test. Look at the book and you will see the texts. And that's how to do, or if you want to hike, and all these things. Make you learn. Fourth is cause and effect. It's a major relationship where something connects to each other. But for cause and effect, something that makes the effect, and the effect is something that happens when the cause is done. Well, it is easy Texas. If you were just imagining that you're on a movie star, and you don't have to just read all these texts at home, what would the text you might have? Or maybe what you're interested in these texts. For me, I'm interested in these texts as like the chronological check. It's just taking order to do something. Well, if you really just aware, but just please, everyone, if you could just compare and decide, or to compare different texts, you'll understand. But just think why? Why are you going to read this book? Why are you going to go do it? Just think about that. Goodbye, everyone. See you too, and I'm really impressed with your hearing and listening. Thank you.